Well, hello again everybody. Another challenge lock. This one's made by Javid Patel JJ80, sent to me by ApacheJohnLocksport. I have no key for it, but it is locked up. We're going to use one of the Peterson flat 5 pry bars because it's quite tight in the top, and a Peterson number 7 hook in 15 thousandths because it's quite paracentric. And I did pick this earlier, and it's a very crunchy lock, so I didn't try that earlier, just raked it and got a slight false set. So let's see if we can. One feels like it's binding a bit, and we get some counter rotation. There we go, that's one. Nothing on 2. Solid. Nothing on 3. Right, 4, we've got counter rotation. Come on. 4 definitely wants to go. Trouble is, it's quite a tight key weight. Using 15 thousandths, I can't put too much pressure on it. Let's try 6, nothing on 6. There's 5. Five and 4 are both giving counter rotation, but there. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting that. So it was number 4. So let's get this out of the vise and see what it's got inside it. Right, sorry about that everybody. I managed to hit the on-off button on the camera as I was moving it. So we are locked up again. Let's give it another shot. Seeing this worked last time, let's see if we have any joy. A very slight movement on it. Not as much as last time, so let's start going through. Right, 1, nothing. 2, 3, a very slight click and a bit of counter rotation. 4, slight click. 5, doesn't want to know. 6. And there we go, we've got a little bit of extra false set. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try a little bit more tension. Right, there we go. 1. We've got a click and a fraction more turn on the core. 2, a click. 3, 4, a click. 6 is definitely bound up but doesn't want to do anything. Right, there's another click out of 1. We've lost the full set, or some of it anyway. Click from 2 and 3. Nothing occurring at the back. It felt like 4 very tiny click and a very tiny movement on the core. That was 3, and we got a bit more on the full set. Right, 1 still feels okay, 2. There we go, nice click on 2. 3 still there, a small click on 4. 5 we're getting counter rotation. Come on. Come on. There we go. And we're open. Right, let's see if we can do it properly this time. So, get that out. Try not to switch off the camera this time. And here we go. So, what have we got on the back of this one? Right, circlip may well work this time. Nice, easy one. There we go. And careful not to lock this up because we don't have the key. That there. And there we go. All 6. So that is a very sort of spoolie. Oh dear. Wait till these are all out and then we'll have a look at everything. Let's just have a look at the core. Right, looks to me everything but number 6 is threaded. Very nasty pins. That one came out that way. I'm not even sure how to describe some of these pins. Oh. Apart from that one, that's a spool. springs. Four of them. Let's grab some light. Definitely no others there. So, only 4 springs. Oh no, there's 2. They are 3 and 4 are stuck. There we go. So that is 3 and 4. Should have paid better attention to getting the springs out. But here we go, let's see if we can get a close-up of these. Very nasty bins. So there we go. That was Javid Patel's Asec challenge lock. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.